Okay, end of day 7. Ignore River's strange noises as she walks home with the dog. So I went to get a piece of granite today to fit under the doors, double doors, because we ordered the wrong size. But that's okay because it can be used in this hole that was created when I went out that they didn't tell me they were going to do. It was going to be a job for next year. And surprise, there's a big hole in your favourite wall. I didn't even get a chance to say goodbye to it as it was. So yeah, I was like, what the fuck? Oh my god, you cheeky buggers. Did you send me out on purpose so that you can knock a hole in my wall without me knowing? But it's going to be amazing. It's going to be the most beautiful one actually, because instead of having breeze blocks and then render around it, it's going to have beautiful stonework. So he's been working on the stonework, and of course it's cement, but yeah, it's going to be nice. It's going to be really, really, really nice. And so yes, here's my little rubble site, and the doorway has been worked on a lot too. So this floor is going to be lower than the kitchen. I'm not bothered if it's a step up basically, that's totally fine into the next room. And this side needs to be worked on too, you can't really see it, it's dark. I love the way that they shut my front door, they keep taking the piss out of my front door and shutting it when don't really need it to be shut. And so yeah, I have a window in looking out on the forest, and another one looking out on the area that I have to clean up because it's a fire hazard. I still have rubble floor. The idea was that I'd get as far as having a scree floor today, so that it had time to dry while they're not here, because he has to go and do a house painting job, and also so that I could work in this room. But yeah, instead of that, they knocked a hole in the side of my building unexpectedly, and I now have to try and work in this room with it like this, which is a bit crazy, but it's fine. And again, yeah, it's just really, they've been worked really, really bloody hard today, and it was really hot again. And it's just so fantastic to actually make it feel like a room that has a door and a window, and I'm going to have another window and a door adjoining, and I've got a beautiful roof. I'm just really, really pleased, and I'm so glad that, you know, as a team they've been working really well, even though one of them can be really, really tricky. He's been a lot calmer today, so that's good. Very happy at the end of day 7. They're supposed to come on Monday to put the scree floor in, but they might not actually come until Thursday, I think. Yeah, which is very late because my friend arrives on Thursday in Porto and I pick her up, or maybe I pick her up on Thursday in Viseu. And I didn't want her to arrive to a whole building site, but that's what it is. Yeah, I was going to be sleeping in here when she got here. I'm not going to be doing that.